Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. When I found out that ESHA came out with new products, I had to get my hands on it. And I had to try it live here today on my channel. Because I have a lot of synthetic wigs, I don't really give all of them the tender love and care that they deserve, okay? I don't have a huge wig closet. I'm working on that. When I get there, when I become a millionaire and I have my huge wig closet, you guys will come and see. But now, I don't have that. So some of my wigs kind of, you know, are on top of each other and getting squished in places, you know, in a big old bin, because that's where I keep my wigs. Today, I actually went into my stash, I looked into it and I said, you know what? I want to find a wig that looks so beat up and crazy because I want to really try this product and see if it can revive my synthetic wig that I probably haven't touched in years, forgot all about it, etc, etc. This is the wig. This is how the wig looks. Okay, you can see it's very tangly. It's a lace wig. Yes, it is. It's a lace wig, and you can see the lace. I already tinted it. It has like glue residue on it. Yeah, so this is how the wig is looking, you guys. And this is the wig that I'm going to be trying to revive today using ESHA's newest shampoo leave-in conditioning detangler. So this is the shampoo. It's for human and synthetic hair wigs, weaves, and hair pieces. So basically what this is to wash your synthetic wig or your human hair wig to make sure it's clean. Obviously you wear your wigs a lot. You want to make sure that it's nice and smells good. You don't want to keep wearing the same wig without washing your wig. Whether it's fake and you know it goes on your head, it's not coming from your scalp, but you still want to wash your wigs. Nasties. After we use the shampoo, we're going to be using ESHA's leave-in conditioning detangler. Boom, boom, boom. It's the wig that I have on before. You guys can see she's looking very dry and crazy and she needs to be washed. So if you want to see what this ESHA does, because I want to see what ESHA gonna do, keep watching.
What I start off by doing is I just run the water, make sure that it's cold, and I run it so that it's all the way to the top so I can soak my wig inside of it. I've used shampoos before when it came to washing my synthetic wigs. What I found best is you want to kind of like dip the wig in and dip it out. Not so much as like scrubbing it, just kind of like dip it in and dip it out. I'm just going to be using ESHA shampoo to get rid of all this old sticky glue on the lace.
I washed the hair. I am now going to use ESHA's leave-in conditioner detangler to detangle this synthetic wig. And I'm gonna brush it out, and then after I use the detangler, I'm gonna be using my blow dry brush comb thingy that I got from Amazon to make sure that the hair is nice and dry. And then I'm going to style it like I always style all of my wigs. So first, let's just try this product. Okay. And what I like to do is I like to hold. Oh, and it smells. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. Not only is it detangling my wig, but it's making my wig smell amazing. So as you can see, it's really rough on this area. So I'm just gonna spray some more. I'm just gonna use a lot of the product. And then I'm gonna go to the ends and I'm just gonna comb it like that. As you can see, that's nice and straight. So now then I'm gonna move on, and I just kind of hold right here and then I comb like that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look how straight it looks from this detangler. Like, oh my gosh, this hair is woo. Okay, I'm gonna do this side. Sliding off my head. Okay, this side is good. Let's do this side. Look at all this old dead hair that's coming out. We don't need that. No, we don't. Still a little tangled in the back here, so I'm going to spray a little bit towards the back. Okay. Whew, okay. Okay. So far the hair is looking brand spanking new after I just shampooed and conditioned it. Like, oh my gosh, like I'm running my fingers through it and there's no tangles, no hard pieces of hair, no knots, nothing after using this. Look at this. Look at that. Woo. I couldn't even do this before. My fingers probably would have got cut up inside of the hair. Like, look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to go ahead and style this hair like I usually do. Keep watching and I will be right back and showing you guys how I slayed this hair.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been thinking of myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to.
So I'm gonna go ahead and install as I usually do, And because I'm already using ESHA's products, let's just have an ESHA party. I'm going to be using ESHA's Guard and Grip Primer. I'm going to prime around my hairline before I add the glue. The glue that I'm using today is I'm going to be using ESHA's Absolute Lace Wand pen. And this one is in the coconut. Is it the coconut? It's the apple scent. So it smells like apple. It really does. So I'm going to be using the Prep and Prime by ESHA and then the apple pen to glue it down on my face. So what I like to do, I don't really put it directly on my face when I have on makeup. I just kind of spray this little spoolie right here and I just kind of go around my hairline. Just like this. And then I'll just take the blow dryer just to blow dry that a little bit.
Work on you, yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts, I know, yeah, you. All the reasons I'm going out of my mind, I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been thinking of myself, asking for help. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts, I know, yeah, you. All the reasons I'm going out of my mind, I just can't stop thinking about you. You always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts, I know, yeah, all the
is how the hair came out. Put on my best to make this into a look. So I want to show you guys how the hair came out. It's giving Aaliyah. That's what's giving right now. It's giving Aaliyah. It's nice and it's straight, and this side is really good as well. Yeah, it came out really nice, you guys. I'm actually about to go out after this. You guys need to grab this product ASAP. You need to grab this because my wig went from a 1 to a 10. Okay, a 1 to a 10. You need to get this. You need to buy it now. ESHA's shampoo and detangler spray. Look what it did to my wig. Absolutely fabulous. Thank you guys so much for watching this long video, but I really just wanted to give you guys a full transformation of this hair from the beginning to the end. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video, but until then, keep slaying.